Good morning, Fly Babies. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today we're going to do our 5 routines like we do every day, our morning routine, our laundry routine, our paper routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. These are things we do just like a habit. It's not anything we have to question ourselves about. It's not anything we have to think about. It's something we've done so often that it's a habit. If it's not a habit for you, make a list, put it on the wall, check each thing off as you go through it. That's going to be my suggestion to you until you get these things down pat. So, morning routine first. Remember, I always suggest that you get up a half hour before your family, put yourself through your morning routine, pause, then wake up your family, help them with their morning routine. Now, once you're done with that, if you're working, you're going to go off to work. If you're staying at home, you're going to put your laundry in. While it's running, you're going to go through an inch of paper clutter if you have any. We're going to put the trash in the shred or the recycle or the garbage, whatever. We're going to put the things that require action in our inbox. Yesterday was Wednesday. We handled them already, so it's empty now. And we're going to put anything that might need to be filed in our inbox. And then we're going to listen for the laundry. Does it need to go in the dryer? You know, keep that ear open. If you do a load a day and you do them Monday through Saturday, you'll have 6 loads a week. If you have more loads than that, then double up on a day or two. The other thing is we want to do our every day, after we get those 3 things done, we want to do our weekly item and we want to do the thing that we do monthly for the week. So our weekly item today on Thursday is our errand day. So we're going to go to the grocery store, we're going to go to the post office, we're going to go to the bank, we're going to go to the shop, whatever it is we need to go to, we're going to go and get those things done today. This is a day to run errands. Don't forget, if your husband likes you to go do things for him, mention to him that Thursday is your errand day and you'll be happy to get that done for him. Or tomorrow's my errand day. Is there anything you need done? Because you know how frustrating it is when you have your day planned and then he says, oh, can you please go to XYZ for me today? So if you can kind of get him used to the idea that on Thursday, that's the day you like to do those things, it will be helpful for you and be good for him because you're getting things done for him as well. All right, so the next thing we want to do is our weekly item. What is our weekly, our zone item, which is our monthly item that we do for the whole week. So we are in zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. Today in my bathroom, I emptied 2 drawers and just reorganized them and took the loose hairs that were in there out and threw out some old fingernail polish and some old cleaner that I haven't used and some old lotion that had dried up in the bottle, all that kind of stuff from under the sink. So I did 2 drawers and under the sink in my bathroom today. So, you know, if you haven't done that, maybe you'd like to do that. It didn't take long at all. If you're doing it regularly, you know, every 6 months or so, it's not going to get so bad. But if you don't realize how fast time flies, and the next thing you know, it's been 3 years and you have to get in that drawer. So it's hard, and now it's easy and it looks nice and organized, and it gives me that release when I open the drawer, because I too had stuff in my drawer that needed to go, stuff under the sink that needed to go, reorganization, put the extra toilet paper over here, it's closer to the toilet. You know, I did some things like that. So okay, that's what I did. Now tomorrow I'm going to work in my guest room, which is my other room, and all I'm going to do in there is just refresh the sheets. I'm going to pull them off the bed and wash them and put them back on. That's what I'm doing. But anyway, I'm not doing that today, I'm doing that tomorrow. Okay, if you're working, how are you going to implement these things? So the first thing you want to do is you want to think about your groceries today. So I know you set it up yesterday when you did your weekly desk day at work. I know you have your list, so there's several options for you. You can delegate, you can order to either be picked up or delivered. You can go by the store yourself on the way home if that's something that you can fit into your schedule. There's different things you can do, but today is the day that we do our groceries. So hopefully you'll get that done. Delegated is the best thing if you can. The next thing we want to do is when you come home, start your laundry then, do your paper routine then, start dinner. while dinner's cooking and the laundry's going, you can go ahead and do that bathroom area that we were working on. You can do something in there. Maybe you can clean out a drawer or under this cabinet, something like that. All right, next thing is after dinner routine. So we're all together for the after dinner routine, both at home and payroll fly babies. You're lions, you can do this. I'm so proud of you. You organize your family and you say, okay, I'm glad you enjoyed your meal. Let's put our dishes in the dishwasher. Let somebody sweep, somebody else wipe, somebody else do whatever. You know, just little things that you can do. And they're just little tiny jobs that give somebody a purpose and helps you, and you be right in the middle of that melee. Okay? All right, after dinner we're going to do our before bed routine. I'm getting to the point where I'm thinking I want to go ahead and get ready for bed in these winter months right after dinner, because I often fall asleep right back there in that chair reading in my office in the evening, or I have a television in here and I cast my my YouTube videos for the other people that I watch videos. But a lot of times I'll nod off and then I don't want to take my makeup off and I don't want to take my bath. And so I'm thinking I'm going to do that after dinner. So you're constantly tweaking these things. So if you're tired, do yours right after dinner and then put your children through theirs. All right, don't forget to plan for tomorrow. It's very important. I like to use a planner. I think it's a beautiful place to keep the things that I'm going to do. You know, I use spiral notebooks to jot down ideas, but once I've got those gelled, then I put the important ones in my planner. And that way, when I look the next morning, my beautiful planner, I have what I need to do and I can mark it off. And it doesn't mean it's in concrete at that point. You can move it around. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.